Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to art class. Today we are going to make shapes robots, and these are the things that you need. First, you need colored papers. Next, you need yarns or strings of different colors. See? Here's the next one. You need markers of different colors. Next, you need the glue or you need a tape. Next one is a scissor. Remember to be careful and always hold in the blade. And the last one will be googly eyes. If you don't have googly eyes, you can always draw the eyes. So boys and girls, here are the things you need. So let's start. Step 1. Choose what colors of the paper you want. So for me, I'll be choosing 3 colors and I'll be choosing red, orange, and yellow. Step 2, you are going to draw the different shapes you want for your robot. So I'm gonna be drawing triangle, circle, a square or rectangle, and little rectangles for the hand of my robot. Step 3, you're going to cut the shapes using scissors, but remember to be careful and ask for your mommy and daddy for help. Step 4, assemble your robot. You can use any kind of color of paper you want, but now I'm going to be using the white paper. You are going to use glue or tape to stick the shapes you cut onto the paper and make your robot. Step 5, decorate your robot. You can use googly eyes for the eyes of your robot, but if you don't have, you can draw the eyes. And you can use different kinds of strings to make the hair of your robot. You are going to decide how long will be your robot's hair or if your robot will not have hair. And then you can write the mouth. And on the body of your robot, you can draw and design the different kinds of lines that we learn. The wavy, straight, zigzag, and curly. So there you have it. It's my shape robot. Are you excited to do yours? Let's go! Don't forget to send me your phone